Hi guys, welcome to our channel. This time we're going to show you something that we use a lot. We bought it like 2 years ago and it's been working really good. So how do you like it, babe?
That's my baby right here.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Hi, folks. How you doing? Sergio and Janine. Thank you. Welcome to our channel. Well, the truth of the matter is, I'm the one that's using it.
Yeah.
She recommended it, and she saw it, and we purchased it. 2 years, like she said. There's a bunch of things that we love about it. I really like it because it's not heavy. It's lightweight, and this is battery powered, and it submerges completely. And like you see, it's been 2 years, and we use it a lot. And hold this, honey. So what we have, it comes with these filters that you take off and you can put them on. It comes with the filter, and then you have the extension right here. As far as the performance, it's got good suction, and I'm honestly very happy that I don't have to do the whole vacuum and all that like a big pool. Then again, as you can see, our pool is actually like a jacuzzi. It's a 6x10, vice versa, it extends. And then we're gonna go ahead and it's on. Go slow. You see all that there? Go really slow, and you're gonna see it all disappear. It works really well. And this is great, I mean, even if you have a big pool, it works really good. Look at all that area there. It's sucking all that. And usually, because there's another video we have there as far as the pets in the pool and all that, that we've already mentioned it in another video because of the health risk associated with dogs in your pool. Max is not going in the pool anymore. That's why we have it covered. Uh, we have a little kiddie pool for him. But yeah, going back to this here, it cleans. This that you're seeing there is a lot of it is sand from, just your feet going in the pool, what have you. But it does work really well. All that area there was dirty just now, and the wife is vacuuming the pool, and it works. It works really good. And like I said earlier, it's not heavy, easy to maneuver throughout the pool. And you take it out, you charge it again. The charge goes for hours because I've used this for like 30-40 minutes because I do this area first, and then I go to the little area which is the shallow over there. But it works good. How do you like it, baby?
I love it. I
Yeah.
really love it. My husband usually does this. Um, but every once in a while I'll do it just like now, and I love it. It's really easy and it really cleans.
Baby, you know
Really
what?
cleans.
I think you're doing it better than I am. I think we're gonna switch roles over here. But yeah, honestly, guys, look at it. It works really good. I hope you liked the video, and this is about this. Remember, we are an Amazon associate, so we do earn a little commission from the sales of any of the stuff that we put on our links. You're helping the channel grow, and at the same time, we're recommending these things because they do work. I'm not going to go ahead and recommend something that's not working well, and just for whatever reason, this is not what our channel is about. We want to be reputable, and we want to be a channel that people look up to tomorrow because we're recommending stuff. This is 2 years we've been using this.
Yeah.
So we can really say it's worked well, and look, it's holding up. Okay, guys, so what I did was this lever, when you open it, it comes apart. Now let's look at what we just cleaned. We just cleaned. The pool is really clean because we've had it, we've been cleaning it daily. But look, this is all what we picked up just now. And this is a demonstration. So we didn't do the side over there. We just did this side as a demo. And you just reverse it and you clean it. And what I do is I let it dry. I let it dry before putting it together so there's no mold in there, and that's it. You go like that, and you're ready to go again. I usually rinse it really well because there is chlorine in the pool, and I don't want to leave the chlorine in there for no you know, it's not good for the machine and the motor and all that. And that's it. Then what I do is I just put it back. I put the filter back, the screen, just like that. Right now, I'm not going to put it because like I just said, I'm going to let it dry, but it goes like that. And then you just pull the lever back and that's it. So baby, you want to wrap it up?
Yes, please. Like I said, always thank you very much for watching our videos. Like them, subscribe to our channel, help us a little, and God bless.
God bless.